Struggling to pick between Coinbase and Kraken for your crypto trades? This head-to-head comparison breaks down everything you need to know in just 90 seconds. First, user experience. Coinbase boasts an incredibly intuitive interface. Perfect for beginners. Buying and selling crypto is straightforward. Ideal if you're just starting out. Kraken, on the other hand, caters to more experienced traders. Its advanced charting tools, order types, and margin trading options provide a more comprehensive trading environment. Now let's talk fees. Coinbase generally charges higher fees, especially for those easy buy and sell transactions. These fees can eat into your profits, especially for smaller trades. Kraken offers more competitive fees, especially if you're an active trader. Their tiered fee structure rewards higher trading volumes, saving you money in the long run. Coinbase offers a curated selection of popular cryptocurrencies, while Kraken boasts a wider variety of coins and tokens, giving you more options for your investments. Security is paramount. Both Coinbase and Kraken employ robust security measures, including cold storage and two-factor authentication, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. Both exchanges offer mobile apps, but Coinbase's app is generally considered more user-friendly, while Kraken's app offers more features for advanced traders. Customer support can be hit or miss on both platforms. Response times can vary, so be prepared to do some research on your own using their help centers. Finally, consider regional availability. Both exchanges are available in many countries, but check to ensure they operate in your region before signing up. So, Coinbase for beginners wanting simplicity, Kraken for experienced traders seeking lower fees and more tools. Choose wisely based on your experience and trading needs.